Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove logout confirmation in Woocommerce. This is particularly useful if you want to streamline your website's user experience by eliminating that extra confirmation step when customers log out. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you'll be able to manage all aspects of your WooCommerce store. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and locate the plugins option. Click on it and you'll see an expanded menu with several options. From these options, select Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse and install various tools to extend your WooCommerce functionality, and we'll be using it to add the feature we need. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all available plugins you can add to your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar, type in code snippets, and press enter. From the search results that appear, look for the plugin simply called Code Snippets. Click on More Details to view an overview of this plugin, which will help you understand its features and functions. This plugin allows you to add custom code to your site without editing theme files directly, making it a safe and manageable solution. Once you're ready to proceed, click on Install Now. The installation might take a moment, so be patient while WordPress downloads and sets up the plugin. Once the installation completes, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, return to your left navigation menu. You'll notice a new option has appeared called Snippets. Click on it and the menu will expand, revealing additional options. From this expanded menu, select Add New. This will open the snippet creation interface where you'll build your custom code. Start by entering a name for this code snippet. You can call it something clear like Remove Logout Confirmation so you remember what it does later. This is an important organizational step, especially if you plan to add more snippets in the future. Next, and this is crucial, make sure the code type dropdown is set to PHP. This ensures your snippet will execute properly within WordPress. Now I'm going to provide you with the code you need. You can pause the video at this point to accurately copy the code into your snippet editor. Take your time to ensure everything is copied correctly, as even small errors can prevent the code from working. Once you've pasted the code into the editor, simply click on Save and Activate. This code will immediately remove the confirmation message that appears during logout, creating a smoother, faster experience for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully removed the logout confirmation in Woocommerce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.